So now let's discuss method number 3, how we can even make it more simple to access our EC2 instance without having the need to use the PEM key. So as I told you, in the method number 2, we saw how we can copy the key data and we can start using a new key. But let's say you have an EC2 instance, you have an running EC2 instance, and the method number 2 is a bit tricky and it will take some time. Is there any simple way wherein I can access my server? I don't even have want to use my PEM key. Is there any method wherein I can directly access my server, let's say from the AWS console? Then the answer is yes. You can access your EC2 instance via you don't have to worry about the PEM key. So and that can be done using the Sessions Manager. So using Sessions Manager, there are two advantages. One is that you don't have to worry about the key, so no key required, and you don't have to expose your SSH port in the security group. Okay, so no SSH is required. So you don't even have to open the port number 22 in the security group. Okay, so even if you close that port number 22, which we generally, while doing the practical and all, while doing the testing, what we do is we keep the port number 22 open to all. You don't even have to keep the port number 22. You don't even have to use any PEM key. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So this can be done using Sessions Manager. So the only thing that you have to do if you want to use Sessions Manager is that you have to attach a role to this. Okay, so you have to just attach a role, IAM role, to your server. So you have to just attach an IAM role to your EC2 instance, and along with this IAM role, the IAM role will always come with an IAM policy. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just attach this policy, that is Amazon SSM manage instance code. That's it. Simple. Okay, so in this policy, what you have to do is you have to just attach SSM instance core policy. Okay, so if you just attach this role to your server, you will be able to access your server via the sessions manager. So as I told you, the biggest advantage is that you don't have to worry about using a PEM key. You don't even have to expose the port number 22, right? So let's see how to create this IAM role and IAM policy and how to attach it to your EC2 instance. So for that, you have to go to your AWS account and just search for IAM here, and let me open it in a new tab and close the unnecessary tabs. So first what we will do is we will create a policy, and in that policy we will attach this SSM instance core policy. So we will attach this policy, or you can directly attach it. So what we will do is we'll directly create an IAM role, because we don't need to have to create a custom policy. So just create this, select this AWS service. In the use case, select EC2. You don't have to worry about this. That's it, and just click on next. And in the permission, just select AWS SSM, or just search for SSM. And here you can see at the bottom AWS SSM Manage Instance Core. Just select this, okay, SSM policy, and just click on next and give the role name. So let's say EC2 Sessions Manager role, and let me give it a today's date, December 2024, or the month, so that I will be able to identify it. And just go at the bottom, and if you want, you can add the tags, create a role. So this role has been created now. Okay, so the role has been created. Okay, now go back to your EC2 instance whichever EC2 instance that you want to access. So I have this main server. Okay, now how do I attach this IAM role to this server? So for that, you have to just select the server, go to Actions, go to Security. Here you can see Security, and just click on Modify IAM role. And here you have to choose the role that you have created. So my role is SSM. Okay, so this is my Sessions Manager role that I've created December 24. So this I will select and just update IAM role. Now this role attachment will take at least 2-3 minutes. So you have to wait for few minutes. After that you will be able to access this server from here directly from the Connect Sessions Manager. Now this to be to for this to become online, it will take few minutes. So we'll wait, and after that you will be able to see this option Direct Connect. So using this Sessions Manager, you don't have to worry about accessing your EC2 instance using the PEM key, right? Now you may be thinking like I can also do it with Instance Connect. That is also possible, but sometimes Instance Connect doesn't work. Okay, so the best option is using Sessions Manager. Okay, that this is another way. Even if you don't have a key, you can directly connect it from the portal, AWS portal. But Sessions Manager is more secure, and it is used by many organizations because you don't have to expose the port number 22 over here. In EC2 Instance Connect, you have to expose port number 22, but in Sessions Manager, you don't have to expose the port number 22. Now this thing will take at least 5 to 10 minutes, so we will wait for some time. So this Sessions Manager, it will take at least 5 minutes. Okay, so after that only you will be able to see this option. So I told you already the difference between Instance Connect and Sessions Manager is that in Session Manager, you don't have to worry about exposing the port number 22. Okay, so if I just click on connect over here, I will be able to SSH inside my EC2 instance. So let me just show you here. So even if I lose my PEM key or even if I don't have access, SSH access, I will be able to access the sessions manager like this. You see, now even if I go to my main server and go to security group and uh, if I don't allow this port number 22, let's see if I delete port number 22, will I be still able to access the sessions manager? Let's see that. So I'll go to edit endpoint rule and just delete the SSH rule, and I'll just save it. You can see I've just allowed HTTP, HTTPS, and if I just hit refresh, you see I will still be able to access my EC2 instance via the sessions manager. So that is the use case of sessions manager, wherein you don't have to worry about the PEM key and you don't even have to worry about exposing the port number 22. So see if I try to connect it again, I will be able to connect it. So, let's say if there is any such security, because of some security reasons, you cannot expose the port number 22, then you can use this service, that is Sessions Manager. So this is the third method, the simplest method, and the method which with more, we can say, security, because the only thing that you have to do is you have to just create a role and you have to just attach this SSM instance core policy. After that, you will be able to access your server via the AWS account. So only thing is that you have to log in into your AWS account and go to connect and go to Sessions Manager over here, right? So that's it, and thank you very much. And we will see. We will. I will be uploading few more videos which are related to the interviews, frequently asked interview questions on AWS and DevOps side. So stay connected, and thank you. Thank you, everyone.